Ayan. Ayan, dalawa na ang stylist dito sa Bangs. Oh, ha. Happy Valentine's Day. Ayan na. Ayan si Bangs. Ayan si Bangs. Carefree morning. Magpa-underarm waxing tayo. At medyo labas ang kilikili dun sa next na outfit. Sa next outfit. Kaya kailangan magpa-underarm waxing. Thursday po ngayon, di ba ate, no? Thursday. So, opo, sige, mag-fill up ako. At hindi ako nakapag-online register. Ayan, wax benefits and ingredients. Look, sugar. Sugar. Removes dead skin cells. Talaga. Yung honey naman daw, moisturize and hydrate the skin. Ayan siya. Calamansi, brightens discoloration. Waxing tips, avoid wearing tight clothing before and after your appointment. Avoid the caffeinated drinks on your waxing day. Ay, hindi naman ako nagkape yata. Oo nga, no. Use soothing cream or skin calming hydrate gel for 7 days. No hot dates after your waxing appointments. And do not wash the waxed area within 8 to 10 hours. Alaga. May Brazilian wax pa, may bikini wax pa. Oo, bikini ready. We tidy up the front and the edges, leaving the middle. Brazilian waxing etiquette. Ayan, may etiquette syempre. Pre-waxing, cleanliness comes first. Wash your entire area and from front to the back thoroughly. We recommend this step to be done in our branch. Post-waxing, strictly follow our post-waxing care card to prevent skin irritation and unwanted bumps. Ganyan pala. Pagdana na yan pala, sampayan ng clothes. Eto. Okay, may ilaw dyan. Dito ka hihiga for your underarm waxing. Ayan ang door. Okay, wow, ganda naman, no? Eto, ang attire ng underarm waxing. Yeah, kilikils. Experience the difference you love. This is Riman. ICD, that's skincare and makeup as well. Volta Lab. Then we have the giant Byung Pool. Is an exclusive variety developed by Riman, distinguished by its remarkable size, featuring leaf surface area 4 times larger than standard Byung Pool, but its true power lies in its performance. Scientifically proven to deliver superior skincare benefits, Giant Byung Pool contains 81% more total polyphenols, 40% more flavonoids, 12% greater anti-inflammatory activity, and an astonishing 226% increase in antioxidant power, essential for anti-aging. In addition, it boosts the collagen production factor by 63%, aiding in visible wrinkle reduction. This powerhouse ingredient has shown exceptional efficacy in brightening, anti-inflammation, and wrinkle improvement, making it one of the most effective raw materials in skincare performance. Jeju Lava Energy Water. Ayan. Riman. The name Riman carries the meaning of rebirth and rehuman. And to us, it embodies the idea of people again. More than a phrase, it's our purpose. In an era where people can feel forgotten, Riemann exists to put people back at the center. We create products that help people radiate healthy beauty and opportunities that empower them to grow and reach the world. And we're committed to creating something truly different every time. When Riemann makes it, it's different. This wasn't a slogan we set out to create. It was a sentiment that naturally emerged from the Korean planners and customers who experienced our products. It became a promise, a standard, one that helped Riemann become the #1 brand in Korea. Now it's your turn to experience Riemann, the Riemann difference, and we believe that you will love that difference. Over the course of 30 years, the most valuable lesson I've learned is that people are what truly matter. That's from our founder and chairman, Jong-Yun Ah. And here's what we discover. Discovery of youthful cell. The Riemann village and the Riemann farm here, where we grow the giant Byung pool exclusively, and the Lava Energy Water Research Center. That's the bottle lab for Swamel Nourishing Body Cream. Ayan. And the Lifening Nutrition for your vibrant daily life. This is Lifening to you. Rooted in the belief that true beauty begins with a healthy body, we promote a vibrant, wellness-driven lifestyle by combining premium raw materials sourced from the Jeju's pristine natural environment with cutting-edge innovation. We deliver uniquely differentiated products that set a new standard in K-Health. Lifening is more than a name. It's our promise to bring energy, balance, and vitality to your everyday. The Byung-Pool Institute. The timeline of Riemann.
All the Riemann is not working for me, but people understand. That's why it's important for you next time before people. The skin is very, if you see the rest of her body, her face is dark.